everyone! Today we're gonna do something different. We will learn Chinese by looking at memes. Jonathan, are you ready?
I am looking forward to it.
Okay, let's hit the first one. This one.
Alright, okay. So that is lai a. Yuan.
No.
Pin a.
No.
No.
One.
Pin.
One. Min.
Min.
Means life. So it's like, come on, let's play with our life then. So, 来啊，玩命啊.
Okay.
He sees this guy is going crazy.
So when do you use this?
It's like, if you wanna play, fine, I will play with you. It's like, 来啊，我们玩命吧.
So in extreme situations? Or
Yeah, it's like if we're having a fight and you make a threat to me, then I'll be like, 来啊，我们玩命吧.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, let's go a slightly dirty one.
Okay, so that is 今晚 那个嘛. So tonight we do that.
Yeah, we do what?
That.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so in general, we don't say it. We just say 那个, like 这个那个.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
你那个吗?
Okay, yeah.
我不那个. 今晚那个吗?
Gotcha. So yeah, you're very reserved when you talk about that.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to know this guy. To be fair, I don't really know how he got so famous. It's like everyone is using memes based on his smile.
Well, everyone in China apparently, because I never seen him.
You really? Okay, yeah, everyone in China is
I'm not
using
checking
this.
memes, so probably that's why. I'm out of the world of memes recently.
So what do those two characters mean?
Is that Suo on the left and xiao on the right?
Yeah, you got the xiao right. Do you feel the boy's smile
No.
is genuine? No, right?
It's not even smiling.
Yeah, so if the word on the left, it means 假, it means fake. So fake smile. And this little dude is usually referred to as 假笑弟弟. So because he's young and he's always have this smile that just looks so fake.
So the little brother with a fake smile.
Yeah, yeah. So let's look at next photo. You know that means 假笑, right?
假笑.
And now let's look at this photo.
Okay. Okay. So,
Alright, camera just died. We're back and finish this off. So, 蒙娜丽莎 的
揭晓.
假笑.
假笑.
So, the fake smile.
Of Mona Lisa. Instead of Mona Lisa's smile, it's Mona Lisa's fake smile.
Yeah, and because her face is swapped with 假笑弟弟.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay, let's see next one in
吃瓜看 what is that? What is the last one?
Do you remember the word 游戏?
Oh, yeah.
So, is that 游 or 戏?
I think that's yo.
No, it's 戏.
I had 50% chance. Story of my life, by the way.
吃瓜看戏. 戏 in this context means drama. So usually we use that to describe, okay, I'm just here to watch the drama. I'm not trying to get involved, but yeah, I'm there just to watch. So this one here, it means I am having my watermelon while watching you guys. So 吃瓜看戏.
Okay.
So
for example, when you're in a WhatsApp group and your friends are throwing stuff at each other, maybe having an argument, you send that.
Yeah.
Just to
you can
release
say,
the tension a little bit.
Yeah.
As well.
Or you can just say, I'm just here having my melon.
Don't mind me.
Okay. Let's see next one. Kind of in relation to that.
Okay.
What is this?
吃瓜 That looks like yang, but it's not. And that is a lot of people, crowd.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say that.
众.
众.
Yeah, so you're right. Like it has a lot of people. So 众 means the crowd. Actually, the word before it, as usual, means the same thing. 群 means a crowd. And 一群羊, a group of sheep. Yeah, so 群众 means the crowd of people. So 吃瓜群众 means these are the irrelevant people who's just here to watch the drama.
Okay. And when do you use this?
It's just, for example, when you are say, you know nothing, you're just 吃瓜群众.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, there's a new word you probably can learn. What does this mean? What does that cat look like? It's like eek.
Curious.
Yeah?
Yeah. Is that
it's
curious?
Like sticking its head out.
Yeah, so it's curious.
So it's, I would say it's like secretly taking a look at it.
Taking a peek.
Yeah.
So
okay.
that's what it means?
Yeah. So 偷看 means sneakily taking a look. 偷 is like secretly, sneakily, if that is a word. I don't even know if sneakily is a word. Anyways, the 偷看 is sneakily looking at something.
Gotcha.
Okay, so this kitty is 偷看.
That's cool.
And let's see here.
可以偷走你的小星星吗?
Oh, so cute when you say that.
So
what does it mean?
Can I basically sneakily walk? Is that it?
Sneakily walk. No.
No.
So in this context, 偷 means steal. 走 is not for walk, it's more like away. Can I steal away your heart?
Oh my god. That is cheesy. That is cheesy. 对，我变了.
Yeah.
So that's right. I turned. I transformed.
I've changed. Yeah. It is supposed to be something like really mean. It's like, yes, I changed. Like that. Like,
okay.
对，我变了.
That's creepy. That's really creepy.
It is a bit creepy. Now you said it's creepy. Now look at this picture. It feels even more creepy now.
So it goes, 没有钱就不要想
想
这些事情.
Yeah.
So if you don't have money, then you don't need to dream about these things.
Yeah, just don't bother thinking about it. It's a very mean one. But now you look at the facial expressions like, if you don't have money, don't bother thinking about it. Okay. Oh, this one is good.
听听你说的是人话吗?
It's like, hear yourself out. Listen to yourself. Is that actually something a human being would say? What? You would say that to somebody who just said something really outrageous. You'd be like, how could this come out of your mouth? So 人话 basically means
the language of people.
Yeah,
right?
like something a human being would say.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Oh, this one is good.
Okay, that's an Akita. We can agree on that.
Yes, that's a very cute and fluffy Akita.
First character, I don't know. No, don't know what that means.
It means 辣眼睛. Do you know what does 辣 mean? It means spicy. It's like, oh god, I cannot bear to look at this. It is so spicy for my eyes. It's usually something like gross and you're just like, oh come on, don't make me see it. So 辣眼睛 It's too spicy for your eyes. 辣眼睛。
辣眼睛。Okay. 笑不出来。If you smile, you don't get out.
No, it means I cannot force a smile out of me. It's like this bunny is on the operation table about to die, so there's no way he can force a smile out. 笑不出来。
笑不出来, so it doesn't come out.
The smile doesn't come out. Last one for today. Okay.
This one. Yeah.
This one.
我不吃药。
药 means medicine. It's like, I am not taking my meds. So apparently this guy is crazy. So
completely mental.
Nowadays when we want to tell somebody you should come back to sanity, we, instead of saying okay, be sensible, etc., those kind of things, we say 你该吃药了。
你该吃药了。
Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the memes and had a few laughs and learned some Chinese. If you like this kind of format for learning Chinese, don't forget to hit the like button and or leave a comment below because this is our first time doing it. So I would really be keen to know what do you think. And if you want to get your hands on these memes, add us on WeChat, so we will publish all these memes used today on WeChat so you can use it with your Chinese friends. And alternatively, if you have any memes you don't understand, would like us to talk about, send it to us on either WeChat or our Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Bye for today.
See ya. Bye-bye.